Hello friends! Today we're breaking down a wild tech update that's got the whole developer community buzzing. Google is officially replacing Vertex AI with their new Gemini Enterprise agent platform. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What is this Gemini thing and why should I care? Well, sit tight as we dive deep into the world of machine learning and discuss why this update matters right now. First off, let's talk about why Google replacing Vertex AI with Gemini is such a big deal. Machine learning has been at the forefront of technological advancements for quite some time now, and Google, being the tech giant that it is always looking for ways to improve and evolve their products. This time around, they're doing so by upgrading their existing Vertex AI platform with the new and improved Gemini Enterprise agent platform. So what exactly is this Gemini platform? To put it simply, Gemini is a next-generation machine learning operations, or MLOps, tool that aims to streamline and simplify the process of deploying machine learning models in production environments. It does this by offering an end-to-end solution for managing the entire life cycle of your ML projects, from data preparation, model training, to deployment and monitoring. Now that we've covered what Gemini is, let's talk about why you should care about this update. As an aspiring developer or tech builder, understanding the latest advancements in machine learning tools can help you stay ahead of the curve in a rapidly evolving industry. By leveraging the power of platforms like Gemini, developers can focus more on creating innovative solutions and less on wrangling with complex ML workflows. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into an example to see how Gemini could make your life as a developer much easier. Say you're working on a project that requires training and deploying a machine learning model to predict customer churn based on historical data. With Vertex AI, the process of setting up experiments, monitoring performance, and managing resources would require you to navigate multiple screens and tools. With Gemini, however, all these tasks are consolidated into a single, easy-to-use interface. You can set up your experiment with just a few clicks, monitor your model's performance in real time, and manage your resources without the need for additional tools or workflows. This streamlined approach not only saves you time and effort, but also helps ensure that your ML models are deployed more efficiently and reliably. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, that all sounds great, but what about the trade-offs? Surely there must be a catch to such an impressive-sounding tool. Well, one potential misconception about Gemini is that it might sacrifice flexibility or customization in favor of its streamlined interface. However, Google has ensured that Gemini offers plenty of options for users to customize their workflows and adapt to their specific needs. For instance, you can configure your experiments with various settings like resource allocation, scaling policies, and more, all without the need for additional tools or complex configurations. This means that while Gemini does offer a more opinionated experience than Vertex AI, it still maintains the flexibility needed to accommodate diverse ML workflows. So where do we go from here? As you continue your journey as a developer or tech builder, I encourage you to stay informed about advancements like Gemini and how they can help streamline your workflow. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to tackle complex ML projects with ease and confidence. And that brings us to our final takeaway. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video to let us know what other tech topics you'd like to see covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.